What is up YouTube? I've got another unboxing for you today. It's the Science in Sport Endurance Pack, full of energy bars and drinks and all that. What you get 2 isotonic sachets, 2 Go Energy sachets. I know that was isotonic gels. 2 electrolyte sachets, 2 recovery sachets, 2 Go bars, energy bars, and a free 800ml bottle. I don't know if they're the flavours you get inside or they're all different every time. I'm not too sure. That's the nutrition information. And what's that? Just about their company, I think. And their website, Facebook, Twitter. Top, nothing on the bottom. Alright, let's open up. I haven't opened this up yet, so I don't know what flavours I'm going to get. Alright, right at the top, you get one of the gels, orange flavour. Another gel which is tropical. There's the 800ml bottle. Can't really see that. 800 there. 800 millilitres. We've got the Go bar. That's the chocolate fudge. The other one, which is banana fudge. And we've got the sachets. We got vanilla recovery drink, banana recovery drink, blackcurrant Go Energy drink, blackcurrant Go Electrolyte drink, tropical electrolyte drink, and lemon Go Energy drink. I'll just lay it all out so you can see what you get. Not a bad purchase. How much did I pay for it? I paid £13 for it from Evans Cycle, and I think it's a great little starter pack to try out Science in Sports products. Thanks for watching.